Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So I will put b equals to this one and q equals to this one. We have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we keep the same. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have dy, so we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. This one we have number 1. So we can see that this one and this one, they are the same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy equals to the integration. So I select about this one. So I will put this one go in here. 3sy. The integration of e to the power of y of ds, you got s. This one, that is about 3s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we keep the same. This one you got number 0 because we don't have y in here. This one we put d over dy. So this one equals to this one. Now we simplify for the both sides and you got number 0. The integration of this one, that is about c. So we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3sy. 3sy equals to c. And this one equals to fsy. fsy equals to c. Now we can simplify and we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.